Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of VK. Do you guys know which is the costliest app that is present on the Google Play Store? There is this app named I Am Rich Plus. It costs a whopping $400 or 26,000 Indian rupees. Recently, Mr. Who's the Boss had made a video on this application named I Am Rich Plus, and he had downloaded 6 different apps by paying $400 each. I don't know whether he got back the refund or not, but this app I Am Rich Plus is currently available for sale for free. You can download this application for free right now. In this video, we'll be checking out whether this app is worth 26,000 bucks or not. Let's get started.
Hey guys, as I said, we'll be checking out the costless app for Android. First, we'll go to the Google Play Store and download the app and then check it out because it's available for free. Since it's 26,000, there should be something for 26,000 rupees. In the search box of the Google Play Store, just type I am rich. And there are a lot of I am rich apps, guys. As you guys can see, there is this first one I am rich, second one I am rich plus, I am rich premium. A lot of apps are there, but you have to download the second one. This is the I am rich plus app. This is the one that you have to download. See, there it mentions the sale ends in 3 days. It costs 26,000 on other days if you want to download this app, but right now it's available for free for downloading. And this is the app. Just hit on install. Don't install the wrong app because you can lose a lot of knowledge if you download the wrong app. And in the description there have been a lot of things that has been mentioned. Just we'll download the app and check it out, because since it's 26,000 rupees on other days, there should be something, guys. I'm getting really excited to see what exactly this 26,000 rupee app does. It is installing, and now it will check for the Google Play product. All those mandatory things will be done. And now, guys, it's the moment of truth now. Yes, I've downloaded, and this is the app, and this is this Bitcoin boot animation of this app. Okay, let's go into the app. Let's dive in. Okay, this is the app, guys. Some gem is been rotating, and if I click on the gem, there is this richness text that appears on the screen. Fine. Text that appears, and nothing is happening if I swipe from left, right. Just that richness text appears, and in the 3 dots menu there is nothing here as well. Nothing here. Text appears if I click on the 3 dots menu. Nothing here. Fine. And from the hamburger menu there is nothing. You can click on share, and app can be shared. Basically the link to the Play Store will be sent, I guess. There is nothing in the 3 dots menu and hamburger menu as well, guys. Oh my god, this app does nothing. Let's share the app via WhatsApp and check how does it even look. What the text he has mentioned. I'm sharing it with myself, and it says, hey, just bought the most expensive app on the Play Store. If I click on that link, it will take me to the Play Store. That's it, guys. There is nothing else. Crazy. This app just does nothing. As you guys just saw, this app just does nothing. It's called I Am Rich Plus. Let's check out whether it has some widgets that offers. And for some no reason, there have been two different apps installed on my device with the same name. I have no idea. And I'm checking out the widgets for this app, and nope, no widget has been supported with the app. This is literally crazy, man. This app costs 26,000 rupees, and I pity for 50,000 plus people who have downloaded this app because it does nothing. There is this gem that is rotating, and if you go back, that this is the boot animation of Bitcoin, and there is nothing else, guys. I guess he was just a dumb developer, or he was just making fun, or he just wanted to experiment with the limit of the costliest app that is present on the Google Play Store and do some experiment with that threshold of the costliest app and check out other things. He just developed something and he just put it on the Google Play for $400, and people who wanted to check out what exactly this app does have downloaded. 50,000 plus people have downloaded, and I think he has got a lot of money, man. This is really crazy, guys.
If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you have still not subscribed to our channel, we'll be bringing some interesting and amazing content on our channel. Please do subscribe and hit that bell notification in order to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching, guys.